Video number 26. So the MRP of this box is 1550 rupees. And what all things you are getting in this box? You are getting some mixed media stuff, some MDF, some keychain stuff. So let's get started. You are getting these kinds of things in your box. These are pre-marked fridge magnets. Pre-marked fridge magnets. You can use the sizes 3 by 4 inch approx. You are getting this set of 4. You are getting this metallic pen. You can see the MRP. It's new. And you are getting 4 these kinds of spatulas, 1 tea light holder, pre-marked fridge magnets, some spoons, pre-marked fridge magnets, these kinds of 2 things. And this is a sculpture paste, but it's not sealed and it's fine. You can see the quality. Okay, it's not dry. And this grad pins for the paper crafting. One this cute mini. This is a gift from my side. Some MDF stuff you are getting, written as food. Some spoons, some mixed media stuff. You can use it for keychains. It's good. This box number is 26, so the MRP is 1550 rupees, but all the stuff I am giving for this for 1000 rupees and free shipping.